Ladies and gentlemen, let me take you on the journey of Korangi Road 9000. Korangi area with a dense and vulnerable population of 400,000, also comprising of a fishing village with no infrastructure, was identified by Government of Sindh in collaboration with the World Bank Group for rehabilitation and reconstruction through Karachi Neighbourhood Improvement Project under its component of enhancing public space and mobility improvements in selected neighbourhoods of Karachi.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is a matter of great honor and privilege for me to be a part of this inauguration ceremony for the rehabilitation and reconstruction of Korangi Road 9000, Fisherman Churangi to Ibrahim Haidari village. This is a New Year gift to the residents of these localities by the Government of Sindh. Karachi Neighbourhood Improvement Project with the support of World Bank was aimed to enhance open spaces for general public and definitely creating an environment where people can come and have a very good time.
Each sub-project is responsive to the local context and beneficiaries' needs. Residents in Korangi faced conditions of reduced mobility, with sections of roads severely broken down, lack of sidewalk maintenance. Pedestrians were forced to walk in or near active traffic lanes, leading to potential accidents, contributing to traffic hazards.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम चाचा।
वालेकुम सलाम।
चाचा कितने सालों से इस एरिया में रहते हैं?
इस एरिया में तकरीबन 12-13 साल हो गए मुझे।
12-13 सालों से। और काम क्या करते हैं आप यहाँ? पंचर का काम करते हैं। अच्छा, हुकूमत सिंध कराची नेबरहुड इम्प्रूवमेंट प्रोजेक्ट के थ्रू ये सड़क बना रही है, इस बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहिए?
ये रोड थोड़ा डबल होना चाहिए, चौड़ा रोड हो, क्योंकि पतला रोड है, आने जाने में गाड़ियों में मोटरसाइकिलों के एक्सीडेंट बहुत होते हैं। अगर हुकूमत ये काम कर दे तो बड़ी मेहरबानी होगी कि हम लोग यहाँ पे सुकून से और आराम से घूम फिर सके रात के टाइम में।
Karachi Neighbourhood Improvement Project has implemented rehabilitation of Korangi Road 9000 from Fisherman Churangi to Ibrahim Haidari village.
Open public spaces are extremely important in any metropolitan city, and it was in this context the Karachi Neighbourhood Improvement Project was conceived by the Government of Sindh. I am very pleased to inform you that with the assistance of the World Bank, this project has been turned into a reality. You saw earlier last year that an open space in the old city area of Sadr was conceived and developed and opened for public, which has become a very valuable attraction to the city of Karachi. This is the second phase where the old densely populated area of Korangi and Ibrahim Haidari have been developed.
The development works include upgrading the main road, sidewalks with existing right-of-way, reorganizing vehicular traffic lanes to provide adequate spaces for pedestrians, rehabilitation of existing roundabout as a public space on an area of 65,000 square feet, depicting fishermen life with an 8.5 meter long boat model and monument, installation of gazebos and planters, median and linear parks, new construction of a well-designed single carriageway by making the slopes gentle for the vehicles to access Ibrahim Haidari village, LED lighting and road calming feature, improvement in drainage service, water supply, sewerage and stormwater drainage, improvement in mobility through well-designed bus stops, creating designated spaces for trash disposal.
Through this development project, we have made an effort to bridge the gap between urban and peri-urban localities of Korangi and have involved communities to bring more inclusiveness and ownership for this project.
Under this sub-project, one of the largest public artwork wall of 12,500 square feet in Ibrahim Haidari village has been painted by local artists depicting underwater life, which has turned the walls into visually interactive spaces. Approximately 220 trees above 2 meter height have been saved and more than 2,400 trees and plants have been planted in the green spaces. The land prices along the corridor will provide economic uplift. The improved road provides a smooth ride to the travelers and has benefited a huge number of population that travels to the fishing village for business and personal purchases. Improvements in mobility to approximately 5,000 vehicles per day with timely access to markets, playgrounds and schools.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी,
सलाम।
आप इस एरिया में रहते हैं?
मेरा घर अपना घर है यहाँ पर।
अच्छा, हुकूमत सिंध कराची नेबरहुड इम्प्रूवमेंट प्रोजेक्ट के थ्रू इस एरिया की डेवलपमेंट करवा रही है, उस लिहाज से आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
डिमांड हो गई है, अच्छा हो गई है, काम अच्छा हो गया। कीचड़ होती है, सारी कीचड़ होती है, बहुत अच्छा काम हो गई है। क्योंकि शाम को आते हैं बच्चे खुश हो जाते हैं, इधर खेलना उधर खेलना, बच्चे खुश हो जाते हैं यहाँ पर।
तो बच्चों के लिए एक अच्छा एरिया बन गया, आप खुश हो? खुश हो?
Government of Sindh, in collaboration with the World Bank, has launched Karachi Neighborhood Improvement Project to transform Karachi into a more livable, inclusive and competitive megacity.